Hello guys, what's up? For today's video, once again live here in Greater Sudbury, Ontario, Canada. Shout out sa itong mga tropa dyan sa Saudi Arabia. So sa ating mga Jubel Peps, Jubel people, shout out sa inyong lahat. So galing pa tayo sa work, and time check here is 5:15 in the afternoon, so maliwanag pa. As you can see here in the backside, so maliwanag pa, parang tanghali, pero alas 5 ng hapon dito. Alright guys, once again, this is DJ Ram here in Greater Sudbury, Ontario, Canada. Nagsasabi at may kasabihan na enjoy your life because life is so short. So guys, makikita nyo, mainit dito. 22 or 18 degrees Celsius. So mainit. Right. Shoutout pala sa aking jacket na nabili ko sa Okay. $17. So it almost nasa around 1,000 peso. Alright. Puma original. Baka bid nyo to, bigay ko to sa inyo. Puntahan na yung bahay para makuha nyo to. Alright guys, so ito sa paligid ang mga bato. Batong matibay, kasing tibay ng pagmamahal ko sa iyo. Alright guys, shout out. So pagdating ng taglamig, itong bato matabunan ng iyalo. So malaking bato. Bato katulad ng puso mo. Shout out sa lahat. Shout out pre, Tontonix, DJ Tronix, aka Mechanic DJ. Baklay na pod ba? Baklay na pod. Wa matay sa kanan, pobre man ta. Dool ra pod bitaw. Ano siya, 10 minutes na maglakaw niya. Dito pa kayong klima. So lakaw ta. Shout out sa iyo dyan, bahay. Sunday magkita ra ta. In God's will. Here we go, here we go. Shout out sa inyo dyan, mga subscribers and followers. Sa mga hindi pa na-monetize, shout out sa inyo dyan. Sana all ma-monetize na kayo. Baklay. Init ito, init. Shout out kay Tropang Lindon. Oy, oh my God, gulat ako. Ayos lang dol, DJ Wilkins. Sabi nila mainit dito, malamig. Kainit dito. Parang alas 12 pa, alas 5:20 ng hapon, pero parang alas 12 ng tanghali. Ang init. Shout out DJ George. Musta yung gig natin dyan tol? Baka naman pang Starbucks. Maayo ba kay walay pots? Nawala yung pots. Tanggal yung pots ko dito. Shout out sa ating mga tropa dyan sa Saudi Arabia at ang mga tropang DJ dyan, mga magagaling na DJ. Kay DJ George, DJ Kian, DJ Ryan, and to all our DJs there. Shout out sa inyong lahat. So malapit na ako sa aking bahay. Bahay kubo, kahit munti, walang halaman. DJ George aka Lindon Panilo, shout out. Baka naman. Shout out kay DJ Pidong. Basta DJ Ram, guwapo. DJ Pidong. Alright, shout out kay DJ Pidong. Soundworks DJ before, and now the owner of GWRS Sound and Lights and Sounds. from Leyte, Philippines. Shout out to you dyan, Aring Pidong, the owner of GWRS Lights and Sounds, Interactive DJs and Soundworks DJs. DJ Pidong. So once again, ito yung sasakyan ko. Pinarada ko lang dyan kasi naglalakad ako, exercise. Here we go, DJ Pidong, shout out and to his beautiful wife, shout out dyan sa iyong asawa at sa iyong anak. Hopefully dyan, Wilfred Repulsala, someday we can jump or this our music industry because we like playing some music like DJ, even though we are not what do you call this, we are not a professional DJ, but this is our passion and our hobbies of playing music, so that we can enjoy our life, because you know our life is too short, so enjoy, and hopefully we can meet each other in Philippines someday. But now, as you can see, we are here in out of country, so but it's okay. We can see each other in the Facebook Live, in the Facebook post, and also any kind of social media you can see me. So just follow, like, and share to our videos so that you can see me what happens here in Canada. So hopefully we can jump someday, not now, but maybe tomorrow or someday, or I don't know. So keep safe, bye. John Wilfred Sala. Makamingaw man bro, lingaw jud basta makajamta. Yes bro, malingaw jud ka. Basta mga Bisaya, malingaw jud ka. Shout out dyan bro. Hope someday mag-jam rata. DJ Pidong, the owners of GWRS Lights and Sound from Biliran, Southern Leyte, Philippines. Shout out sa ating mga tropa dyan sa Qatar, Saudi Arabia. Ating mga DJs dyan, mga kasama, mga malulupit na DJs. Shout out sa inyo dyan. Keep safe and have a nice day or a good night. So just having fun, enjoy your life. You know, life is too short. So keep moving on. Time check again, 5:02 in the afternoon. But the sun is bright. It looks like the same as 12 o'clock in the afternoon, but as you can see, 5 p.m. here, but very, very shine. So guys, dito na ako sa aking bahay. So ito yung bahay ko. Tadading! Ito yung paligid sa bahay ko. So thank you so much guys. For now, I want to say thank you and goodbye to all of you. And happy Monday to all of us. Thank you, baboos.